Alexandra Baker is joining us here with all of our winter lane and our beautiful pieces. But it's not just about decorating for the holidays. Nope. Christmas in July is going to be here before we know it, but I like to have decorations throughout the year. And this is one of the perfect ways to do some decorating throughout the year.
Absolutely. These are our very popular, wildly popular and successful micro LED lights. These are the most brilliant invention ever. I just love how malleable they are. I love how bright they are. You can see it's a very, very bright LED light. We're going to dim the lights a little bit so that you can see the beautiful color selections. Every time we bring these back, we sell out so many of them, so we're down to half of the selection on the colors as well. But here's that bright green, we have a vibrant red, we have this amber, which is like a warm amber yellow color, and then we also have the purple. This might be coming or translating as blue, but it's really purple. It's gorgeous. I just want to show you.
Orchid purple.
It's like an orchid purple. Now these are 10 feet long.
Right?
You're receiving two packets. The batteries go inside. It's like a watertight battery pack, but I wouldn't submerge the battery pack in water. However, you can submerge. So if my brides are watching, my party planners, if you have beautiful decanters.
Oh, look how pretty.
Look, is that gorgeous? So if you were doing flowers for your table, or you just want to make your own table really pretty, these can be submerged. You don't have to be so genteel with them. And look, if you're using these for art, if you're framing a mirror or your daughter's dollhouse, as I did, or maybe their headboard or kitchen cabinets, or you're working on crafts for the school play and you're doing some set design or the school dance, you can use these. And look, you can even trim them. Look at this. How about that?
Oh, no kidding.
Now, if you have a genius child, you can put that back together for you. God bless them. So you can't reuse them, okay? But they can be used for a science project, exactly. But these are great for science projects. So look at this.
If you were weaving it around something.
If you were weaving them around, you can see how malleable they are. They work around everything.
So pretty.
And my last demo to show you how great these are. Look at this. I'm sorry I moved off the camera so quickly. Look, you can even stomp on them. Look at this. Can you see me stomping on them?
So nice, strong, and sturdy.
So they're nice, strong, and sturdy. They work on a timer. 5 hours on, 19 hours off, and they can come back on every 24 hours. So if you place them in hurricanes, if you place them in vases, anything you want to decorate in your cabinets, in your kitchen, in your great room, in the wall unit, these are fantastic. Huge customer pick. Please read the reviews. Everybody adored them, loved them. Long lasting.
And you get two.
You receive two.
So everybody gets
20
two.
feet.
And I'm just going to ask our producer, Paul, you can actually see how bright they are when all the lights are up close together. What color choices? We're down to the final 385 of these. That's for the entire country. We have 150 left in the green. We have 100 left in purple. 50 left in the red.
Wow.
And only 2 dozen left in the amber. The amber is going to be very universal. It's sort of almost an antique look to it. It's that gorgeous, I don't know exactly how they're coming across on TV, but it's that beautiful, soft, almost like a gold color, or like a yellow light. So it's very pretty. It's got that nice little warmth to it. It looks a little bit more red when I see it on TV. The red is definitely red. And then, of course, that lavender I think is so pretty. But the lavender and the green, you can kind of just move those around. With a number of you currently calling in, we only have about the final 200 or so of these left to go around. It is going to be first come, first serve. I think the purple is perfectly appropriate right now. But look how that just goes right on into the water. As Alexandra mentioned, not necessarily you don't want to submerge this part of it, the base part of it, but the base is fine if you have it outside and it starts to rain or it starts to sprinkle. It's not that quick run, let's move that around.
It's watertight.
But these are so pretty even inside of a vase.
Or a wreath. So, you know, many of us are doing wreaths all around the year. You know, right now you might have a wreath of hydrangeas or something like that. This is perfect if you're doing a springtime wreath or a summertime wreath or any type of garland that you have on your mantle right now. It's not just holiday. We're decorating and adding illumination throughout our home throughout the year. So this is just a beautiful, fun way to have very creative use of lighting. Very directional. It works the way it moves around.
I could have fun at holidays. Right? I mean, how cool would these be?
Absolutely.
For St. Patrick's Day. I'm looking at the red, of course, with all of the patriotic holidays that we have coming up, from Independence Day to Memorial Day to Labor Day. Throughout your home, of course, the red and the green always going to be ideal. Look at how fun these are, but notice how it just kind of just moves around. You move that light around. It's completely flexible. And as Alexandra showed you, even if you were to cut part of that. So if one of those little lights goes out, it's not going to be the entire strand. It's run on three AA batteries. Those do not come included, but Those you can find anywhere. If you want to use rechargeable ones or if you want to get the Renew It charger, that's fantastic as well. So you're going to get the green, the red, the lavender.